Kentucky Cooking segment brought to you by Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you will always cook in style.
Welcome back to Midday Kentucky. Chef Allison Davis here in the Wild Time Kitchen, and I'm talking about some healthy kitchen hacks. You know, we're still trying to hold on to those New Year's resolutions, barely. And this is a smoothie recipe. My daughter got a smoothie or a blender for Christmas because she wanted to make more smoothies. And for parents at home also, this is a great way to sneak in some healthy options like the dreaded spinach for the kids at home. So we're gonna make a nice, healthy, kind of almost like a chocolate milkshake using spinach and some other things. But one of my healthy kitchen hacks is this powder. This is a peanut butter and almond powder. You can see there's no sugar added to this, but this is far less in calories from the fat that you would get from your traditional nut butters. It's also got 5 grams of protein per 12 gram serving, and it's gluten-free, so it's perfect for smoothies. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix this up first. So I'm gonna take a couple of tablespoons here, just with our powder, which I think you could just probably just take it right into the smoothie since it's going to be mixed with a liquid, but we're going to just mix it up ahead of time with a couple of tablespoons here of water, and just kind of give that a little stir, and there you go. You've got your nut butter ready to go into our smoothie. So I'm going to mix that in. And because I love that almond and that peanut butter flavor, I'm even going to go in with a little bit more. All right, so now that we've got that, we're going to start building the flavors. So I'm not using any sugar in this, but I am going to use an organic sweetener. So this is another little hack. We're going to go with the dates, but notice instead of just the regular dates, I went ahead with the pitted dates because sometimes you just don't have the time to even do that. So this is another quick little hack. Get them already pitted so you can just throw them in whole and let the blender do the rest of the work. All right, so we're gonna go with like 3 or 4, and then you can really gauge this after you've made this a couple times, more how sweet you like it. We're gonna sneak in that spinach, right? So a little bit of spinach is gonna go in because the kids will never know that it's there. And then we're going to add banana. Now, one thing that you can do, and this is really great with meal prep and with your smoothie prep, is taking your bananas if they're starting to get too ripe, and then you want to just peel them and then cut them up, and then you can just lay them flat in a Ziploc bag and just freeze them by the slice. And then these are perfect to just add in frozen into your smoothies, and will just give it a nice sweet flavor. The riper the banana, the sweeter your smoothie and the more natural sugars that are going to come out of that. I'm going to give this just a touch of cinnamon. And then because I wanted to do that nice chocolate milkshake, I'm going to go in with, this is unsweetened cocoa powder. So a little bit of that. Specialty dark I have been fond of, and it's Hershey's. But again, it's unsweetened and it's just pure cacao. All right. So now we're going to add our liquid, and I've got unsweetened coconut milk. You could go in with almond milk. You could go with soy milk. It's really just kind of a personal call. And because my smoothie or my bananas were not frozen for this one, I am going to add in a little bit of ice so that it's nice and cold and helps to thicken it as well. All right, and then we're going to take our top and we're going to get this thing blended up and see where we're at. It's loud, but we're just going to make sure we get everything nice and smooth. Another great hack that I've been researching and that I have thought of is you could actually prep all of these things ahead of time. So like on a Monday or a Sunday when you're doing your meal prep, you could take your spinach, your dates, your bananas, put them all in a Ziploc bag, and you've got everything measured out and portioned to where all you have to do is just pop that bag in your blender, mix it in with your milk, and you are good to go. So you'll find this recipe and a couple little tips of those healthy, quick kitchen hacks at middaykentucky.com/recipes. I'm Chef Allison Davis. You're watching Midday. We'll be right back after this short break.